Welcome to the Rustic Design Minute. Meet Deborah and Marisol,
Okay, say it all over again.
Hi, I'm Deborah.
And I'm Marisol.
your passionate and creative hosts who will guide you through a world of warm textures, reclaimed wood, and cozy accents. Let's unleash the rustic designer in you.
Hey, welcome back to our channel. I'm Deborah. Next, let's discuss using wood crates as outdoor planters. Fill the crates with soil and your favorite flowers or herbs. They make a lovely addition to your patio, balcony, or garden. And the worn wood adds a touch of vintage charm. Now let's consider using wood crates as a charming and functional teepee stand. Stack several crates on their side, creating a sturdy base for your television. The open design allows you to store DVDs, gaming consoles, or other media equipment while maintaining a vintage aesthetic. Let's talk about using crates to create a stylish and rustic pet bed. Line the bottom of a crate with a soft cushion or blanket to create a cozy space for your furry friends. They'll love their new bed, and it'll fit perfectly with your shabby chic decor. So there you have it, talking about crates today. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much, guys. Talk to you soon.